So welcome back. Welcome back to the production facility at Booze by Rob Productions here in, you know it, historic Nashville, Tennessee. So production staff went off. They were given a task to find a cocktail we haven't made. And they're starting to get fewer and far between, but we got resources. So she came up with the Grapefruit Julep. Now, most people think of mint juleps around Kentucky Derby and all those things. And this one is a twist on it. There's no bourbon in it, and but it's actually got a Kentucky tie to it. So let's start off with it. You use vodka, lime juice, grapefruit juice. This is honey syrup, which is 1-to-1 ratio of honey and water. Ooh, secret twist here. This is pomegranate syrup. So you take the pomegranate juice, put it on the stove, add sugar, reduce it a little bit, get those sugar to dissolve, and so you get a sweet pomegranate syrup. So now why this vodka? This is Wheatley vodka. And I need to hold it up. So Wheatley vodka is made by Buffalo Trace. So yes, this is Kentucky vodka. And when you are a master distiller and you want to make vodka, you can name it after yourself. Buying Wheatley vodka is a good way that your liquor store can get Buffalo Trace products, just as a FYI. All right, so we're going to use 1.5 ounces of this wonderful, amazing Buffalo Trace made Wheatley vodka. We are next going to use 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And yes, the production staff does do that on a daily basis. They wake up about 3 o'clock in the morning. That's when they start their juicing production run. Next, we're going to have pink grapefruit juice. I wish we had fresh. We couldn't get them. So this is actually just whatever brand it was, pink grapefruit juice. And we need 3/4 ounce of that. By the way, these are Crew bottles. Love these things. Easy to clean, easy to use. Also, the different colors makes it easy to tell what the heck you're doing. This is honey syrup. And we are going to use 1/3 ounce. 1/3, not 1/4, not 1/2, but 1/3. Also 1/3 ounce of the pomegranate. That's what gives it that deep pink look to it. Now, paying homage to Kentucky and a mint julep, we're going to use 8. Not 7, not 9, not 4, 8 mint leaves. With ice in our tin, we're going to give it a shake. You're probably asking me, Rob, shouldn't you have bruised those mint leaves? How much more bruising do you think we need? Let's give this a try. All right. You know it, you love it, it's whiskey. This is one of their lowball tiki glasses because it kind of fit the drink pretty well. It's our favorite. Where would we be without the Hawthorne strainer? We'd have stuff all in our drinks. You could double strain this if you wanted to, just to make sure you got all those little bits of mint that we just pulverized by heavy duty shaking. And there are some bits of mint in there. Last, we're going to add a whiskey short straw. And then a little sprig of mint, just to top it off. Make it look pretty, because we like pretty drinks. All right, we haven't tried this one yet. This is fresh. Let's see what we get. I like it. I like it. I think I would like it a little sweeter. With all the fruit juice in there, I think I'd like it a little sweeter, so we might add it maybe up to 1/2 ounce of the honey syrup. But as we say, folks, cheers, stay safe, and enjoy the Grapefruit Julep. Yep, I'll post everything down below. Check it out and enjoy.